Hello guys, it's XX9 versus CraftXX. Down there, there's something up. I don't know if that's an engine or not. It looks like an engine. I mean, it's smoking a lot, but it only has its ditch lights on, and it looks like a P40? That looks like Amtrak, but Amtrak doesn't do that. It's coming pretty fast. Is that Amtrak? There might be an Amtrak. I don't know if that is or not, but it looks kind of odd. It looks like a car, like two car lights, but a pretty cool Amtrak engine. It could be something, guys. 2 hours later. It's still right up. No, wait, it's Norfolk Southern, I think. No, wait, it couldn't be. Well, it could be, but it couldn't be. I don't know what it is. I can't see. It doesn't have its headlights on. Now it's not a P40, I don't think. I know that now. It doesn't look like it has any cars behind it. Okay, now I see the horse. It's Norfolk Southern. It's a single engine, I suppose. It's still coming. Wow, it's going slow for looking like nothing on there. Oh yeah, there's something. It's Norfolk Southern. Just doesn't have their headlights on, only their ditch lights. We have another one that way. Look out, there's another train coming! Hang on just a second. Why I get my mind together. I gotta get this straight. So there's 2 trains coming, right? Yeah. Let me get my mind straight. For a second there, that train looked like Amtrak. And it's not. And now there's another train coming. So that'll make 5 trains? Yeah, 5. I guess I'm not gonna make this one honk, because if there's a train passing another moving one, they'll probably think you need something. Unless you do it on that. Oh, that one's stopping, that's good. Well, that's the speed of Amtrak right there. Oh gosh, that horn. Please help me. Help me, please. Here comes the other one. You're supposed to stop if there's another train coming, because it's the rule. Hallelujah, hallelujah. Yeah, this is 5 today. 2 engines. The Spartan Cat is the second engine behind this one. my gosh, that scared me. either. Kansas City Southern. Now the Union Pacific car's coming. That's an SD60E. The first engine on 6917. We got a SD60E. BNSF car coming through with some stupid idiots drawing on them. Those are cars. If you didn't know, those are cars. Oh, well, that's just hilarious. Seriously. These people are careless about what they do with train cars. Why did they just draw on them like heck? This train is gonna stop like before. I might have, if I'm well, I'll just restart the video if it gets too long, maybe about 10 minutes, because you can only upload videos to YouTube that are 15 minutes long. So if I stop it, you'll know. So you'll know why, I guess. This one's stopping, but they're not all the way across. Why are they stopping? Wow, this train is long. Pretty long, though. Jeez. And finally, we reached the end. Not for long. I'll restart the video, okay? Thanks. Well, I guess I'll say right now because the end is right there. Let's wait. I'll go ahead and say it before we start going with the other one. Thank you guys for watching this video today. Please leave a like and subscribe. Wait for it. Wait for it.